Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sarth. Today I will do project class 17. So let's start. Go in whitehat.jr app and go in project 17 and open project. I will done already. I will do again. Okay, it is opening. It's open and click on how's it work and do rematch and do sign in. I am do sign in already and I will do rematch. Okay, I will do, and then this command is already done. I will go in loop and I take repeat loop, and then I will write here 48 times. I repeat him and go in action and go in brush and I take random color and then take set length to length plus 4, and then you do Control C and Control V, set color random, and then turn right by 91 degree and repeat do Control V, and then your code is complete. Yes, it is completed. Rename the project class project class 17. Okay, I do and share. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you for watching the video.